Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to add a background image to text. Okay. Now see this text. Click the background. Create a new layer. Go to fill. Open. And click any image. Click and drag it. Okay. Now see this full background. You can use the shape background for selected. Again, create a new layer. Use rectangle text. Right click mouse, create a clipping mask, hold control, select text, sorry, select text, hold control, select a rectangle, middle. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.